अधिकृत बांधकाम येवजण बनावट करपा खातीर गुन्यांव कट रचलो म्हूण महापालिकेच्या आयुक्त आनी नगरपालिका अभियंत्या विरोधात FIR नोंद करची ह्या प्रथम श्रेणी न्यायाधीशान दिल्ल्या आदेशाच्या फाटभुंयेर महापालिका आयुक्ताक FIR प्रकरणात चौकशी जायसर पदावेल्यान काडून उडोवचे अशी मागणी राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन केला.
NCP demands that in the light of that FIR being directed to be registered against the commissioner, the engineer and so forth, he cannot continue to be on that post because it is a FIR concerning forgery and that of a construction plan as reported in the Navin Times. He should be immediately suspended and removed from that post, and do not allow him to play with the forthcoming municipal elections by making statements. Who has become a mouthpiece of the Bharatiya Janata Party, or his boss, who is a liar, teaching everybody to tell lies.
मजगती गोंयाक स्मार्ट सिटीच्या वळेरेंत स्थान ना मेळप म्हळ्यार रक्षामंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार एक स्मार्ट लायर म्हूण सिद्ध जाता अशी टिकाय राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे ट्राजानो डिमेलो हांणी केला.
Goa has missed the chance that it had to be selected as a smart city, and this is a clear slap on the face of the Union Defence Minister, who keeps on fooling the people of Goa that he has tremendous influence by holding an important position in the cabinet. Having an important position in the cabinet and not being selected is a clear indication of how his government looks at contempt on him. This Parrikar, who is to tom around and project himself as a smart Parrikar, has today proved once again to be a smart liar, as certified by a respectable RSS leader Subhash Vedinkar.
आडीएक्सवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.